Though I've been to Adamstown kind of recently, this is one place I haven't had the time to stop. I'm at Heritage Antique Center in Adamstown, Pennsylvania. Let's go in. Oh, how great is this little fire department dog ashtray? Really pretty Fenton perfume bottle. It's an interesting one, the German. And a shell purse. You know, I love those little coin purses. I think they're so sweet. There's another one. That's an interesting perfume bottle. It looks like a music box one. I was looking at that big light carved horse. That one's at 82. Got some really amazing antique jewelry and vintage jewelry in here. But this was the piece that really caught my eye. That's amazing. That Art Deco lady. This is perfume. Oh, that's amazing how it comes out the side of her head. That's wild. I've never seen that before. Now here, Mr. Toodles, he's as is 28, but it's actually the bowl that I never see. 45 and 20% off on that. It's a really good piece. Okay, I'm super into what's happening here. First of all, look at the Lucite lady letter opener, $20 on that one. Oh my gosh, look at this beaded hat pin. That's fantastic. That is so freaking great. The faceted one is what sticks out to me. $20. A little bit of wear to it. This one's kind of neat too, the egg. Don't recognize the marking on it. Sweet little Santa box, but it's actually the little mushroom ornaments that I think are so great. Well, I see something I'm obsessed with. It's $70, but look at the face stick pin, Art Nouveau. This is a fun booth. Some old pipe and tobacco stuff. I love these letters. Those are so neat with the little bulbs in them. Little Art Deco frame. This looks like it might be Limoges. It is. It's really pretty. How much do they have on that one? Might take both hands. Hold on. Yeah, 23 on that. Some really cute little perfume bottles, but there's definitely a little lingering aroma, so I think I'm gonna keep moving. Love the way this booth is displayed. The Art Deco lamp there with the nude. Fantastic. Look at the green hand. Display hand, $60. That's so great. It's an unusual color. All right, now this is insane. Look at how beautiful this little clock is. Oh man, that's so cool. $145 on that. Oh my gosh, look at the ornaments. Italy, hand blown, $40 each. They have some really unique stuff in this booth. Great beaded purse. I love the penguin box, but look at this bronze hermit crab. That's freaking cool. Glass grapes, but it's actually these little eyeglasses I'm most into. This case is always so overwhelming, and I'm sure you can see why. Like the pixie elf with the football. But it's this one with the polka dots laying down. That's so fun. I don't usually see that one in that exact color and pose. They have such unique tinies here. These are great. The cat on chain family. I like that one. 28. I've gotten some really great salt and pepper shakers. These are fun, these mid-century ones. Oh my gosh, and they're only $8. I like the Santa though, the paper mache, made in Japan. Little acro agate moment. And then above it, some really great spaghetti poodles. Lots of different lamp. Look at those insane giant crystals for a chandelier or candelabra. They have such amazing vintage jewelry and perfume bottles in this booth. I love all the Hollywood Regency and Ormolu items. The box on the wheels, that's amazing. It's like a Cinderella style. Well, look what we have here. Looks like my bangle person from Mad Hatter now has a booth over here, or they always did, and I just didn't notice. Some really great Bakelite ones. Some acrylic and lucite as well. None that I need to grab right now. Look at the Roadrunner. I've never seen that before. That's neat. Speaking of jewelry, no shortage here. The little poodle, that's so great. That's only $3.50. Wondering if it's repaired. Oh gosh, the tag fell off. It needs to come with me now, I guess. Now the German dog with the bug on it, that's my favorite. That would be $12 after the discount. That's a good deal. And I'm really into the chenille bird back there. He's at 30. It's kind of packed in here. What is this weird face thing with the stopper in it? That's unusual. Some more Bakelite pieces. I'm not sure what that Scotty dog thing is. You know, I like the Popeye napkin ring. The graphic on that, the decal, I should say, is in really good condition. That one's at 40. But if you like Bakelite, this is definitely the case. Look at the horse with the frame. That's insane. So cool. And then the perfume. The perfume's expensive, I want to say. I looked at it once. I almost got it. It was a little too close. Some really great colors in here, though. Now back there, that is a super fun set. I've never seen that. That clamper with the dots and the rhinestones. And then that cameo. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. So detailed. It's on Mother of Pearl, $135. It's amazing. Now check these guys out. That's a really great set. Unfortunately, they are $45 firm and looks like they have a repair. This is one of my favorite booths to frequent. You really never know what you're gonna find in here. Pulled some really interesting things. Little glass lamp. Oh, look at the Valentine with the corn. That's so cute. And look at the graphic on the razor. Little celluloid doll. Wind-up toys. It's a nice basket. I'm not really into the basket thing, but can appreciate that. Looks like it's got some age to it. Is this a scuba diver? Paratrooper toy. How neat. And then look at that doll. That's unusual. Definitely European. Maybe French. Like, this is the kind of stuff that makes me crazy. Look at the old nut roll. It's so neat. It's amazing something like that survived. And this, look at this little Sterling perfume flask. Here we go. Check this out. Oh my gosh. How fun. The articulated pin with the face on it. That's only $14. That's such a steal. And then 20% off. Oh yes, that's definitely coming with me. That's quite the find. Not like the little clock pencil sharpener. How neat. Made in Japan. It's pretty cute. Bakelite salt and pepper shakers. 24 and 20% off. Those are awesome. That's a really good deal. The monument ones. That's gonna come with me. Neat little advertising. Tape measure, as well as the dog bottle. Wait a minute. I'm curious. I'm wondering if that is... No, it's not. Looked like it could have been for a second. I'm going kind of backwards because I had to drop some stuff off to free up some hand space. Check out that weird pottery snake. Now the cats. This is amazing. The TV lamp. $140 and 20% off. Can't justify that. What is this? Glass inkwell. That's definitely different. Well, guess what? It is uranium. That's really unusual. 246, so $24. That's coming with me. I love this vendor because you never know what you're gonna find. Some really amazing oyster plates in here. But not really my thing, nor my price point, honestly. But this looks like it could be Herb Thomas. Let's see. That's amazing. $225, even if it is, that's a little close for me. That is such a pretty German nude. $100 on her. And then I have a few of these. It's a really nice one. Large size and good condition, but also noteworthy. Oh my gosh, so great. Some nice little figurines, but it's definitely the hand-blown Neville ornament that's got my attention. That's at $250 though. And then how much do they have on this elf? That's a good one, $85. Yeah, gosh, those have gotten super pricey and stayed up there too. Look at how sweet this is, this little card. Dude, look at this. That looks like Empoli. It is. That's amazing. 45, 30% off. Man, compotes don't usually do as well as a lot of the vases, but that's a pretty special one. Now this piece in the window is kind of unusual. Pintz glass. Huh, $20. It's kind of neat. I like the contrast on that. That's an amazing Royal Deuce piece. Gosh, I don't want to ship that. I always see the cat version. I've never seen the swan. $35 on that. And then let's see what they got going on over in this case. This case looks kind of promising. Really pretty pink. And then is that vase going to be uranium? I don't think it is. No, it's not. It's a fake out. Really pretty Art Deco purse though. It's pretty awesome. Metal mesh. Good price on it too, I must say. And cats on chain, like the rhinestone eyes, $32 and 20% off. A little close for me. Oh gosh, look at those things. Debbie Fesher. Very different. Now, what is this? Mats Johnson. That's unusual with the face in it. Not exactly what I thought it was going to be. And I like the little black cat. Now, that is a particularly happy Santa Claus. This Blendo Cruet is kind of different. This booth also belongs to that vendor I like, that I got the unique brooch off of. Look at this tin litho toy. That's so great. Now, what is this dog on duty sign? That's so cute. Love the graphic on that. I think that might be a little newer than I want it to be. Oh my gosh, what is going on here? Is this a frog skeleton? It is. That's not something you see every day. And then they have these really fun little bags of odds and ends, charm lot. Oh my gosh, there's some great ones in there. Again, I've pulled some neat stuff out of here. Oh my gosh, look, the little doll. Fantastic. I love those little dolls. I think you're supposed to put them in a what's it called? Cake. I can't remember what you call them. Are these little World's Fair hors d'oeuvre picks? They are. How fun. New York World's Fair. I love the graphic on that old calendar. Absolutely epic. Oh my gosh, look. The Lefton and Norcrest. Lefton and Norcrest mermaids. Looks like they are priced at $225 each and $90 for that one. And it's got a few little damaged spots. Now this is really pretty. This footed vase looks Venetian, I'm assuming. And then above it, definitely looks European. That's gorgeous, the enameled piece. That's at $98 though. And then here, this might be Swedish. Mid-century wooden carved Spain. See, the Spain and the Sweden have been kind of getting me. And then look at the little devil playing the horn. $17. That's a pretty good price, actually. Made in Japan. Might have to pull him out. Oh my gosh, look at this dive fish. It's fantastic. This is different. Timothy Strawson. Oh my gosh, look at the cat box. Now that's freaking cool. Made to look like tramp art. It's contemporary, but really great look to it. Speaking of epic, how did I not notice this guy? Look at that candy container. Well, I ended up getting some really unique stuff, and I'm gonna hop in the car, head down the road, and we'll see where I end up next.